If you are looking to buy your hosting from Hostinger, then you are the right place to go, because in this video you can find first of all a special discount link which is mentioned in the description of this video for Hostinger. Through that you can get amazing discount when you buy your hosting from Hostinger. So if you click on that exclusive link, you will be landed over here. Now I'm going to tell you how you can get as much as up to 91% discount. So you have to watch the video in full after clicking the link in the description of this video. Once you click over here, you will be landed over here, and then I'm going to tell you a few of the features on why I opted for Hostinger. This includes first of all, that Hostinger provides you with Hostinger Horizons, which is just an amazing tool through which you can create your website or web app within seconds. You just have to give it a command. It's an AI software. Hosting also supports drag drop website builder, very easy. Again, giving a command, it's automatically going to create a website. You just have to drag and drop the features and you know what you like. Hosting also supports WordPress. Now WordPress is an amazing platform I have been using on my own blog from the last 5 years, and my experience so far is very good, and which is why Hostinger supports it, and I'm very satisfied with this Hostinger WordPress website facility. Plus Hostinger also has a migrate to Hostinger service. So if you are coming from another company to Hostinger, Hostinger is going to manage all of it. That too free of cost. So make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code again to get as much as up to 91% discount. So scroll below, you can see around 5 million plus people are using Hostinger as their primary hosting company, and even I am one of them as well, and I want you to be a part of the family as well. And scroll below, and you can see around over here. These are some of the reviews for Hostinger. So 66,800 reviews on Trustpilot for Hostinger. So look around on some of these reviews, and 4.7 rating out of 5. So first, I am pretty new to all this VPS and hosting stuff, and honestly no idea. Reached out to support, and you can see it out. Really appreciate that kind of support when you are a beginner. Happy with the experience. Another review over here, Hostinger is a very good hosting site. So you can see around, Hostinger goes beyond just hosting. They give you tools to help you create, manage, and secure your web presence. An amazing company. So you can see around, almost all of the reviews are just amazing. That these are some of the features which convinced me to offer Hostinger. Hostinger is also being featured on almost all of the famous websites. So these are some made with Hostinger websites, and now coming on all of the brands. By default, all of the plans come with 30 days money back guarantee. Make sure to click on the link in the description if you want to enjoy the special discount where you can get as much as up to 91% discount. So once you are landed over here, you can simply select any of the plan, but I recommend you to do a thorough research of all the plan features function before opting for it. So the maximum discount can be available with the business plan. I have been currently using the business plan. This is also the most popular plan, but the first year when I was on Hostinger, I used the premium plan, but from second year onwards at Hostinger, I'm using the business plan. So all of the plans are equally good, just based on different specs for every customer personal need. So once I select the choose plan, now I'm landed over here. Here I can see my order summary over here. So now coming on the billing period, Hostinger offer you 4 billing periods: 48, 24, 12, and 1 month. If you ask me, my opinion is to go with the 48 months, because these prices want to pay against. These are special exclusive Hostinger prices for my audience. So I want you guys to take the maximum advantage of it by opting for the 48 months. And you can claim your free domain by writing over here or later on through the Hostinger control panel. Again, I'm just showing you to give an example on how I can claim it free for the first year only. So the free deal is only valid for the first year for the domain. So after this, when I select, I can see my order summary over here. Just make sure everything is correct to the par. By default, your coupon code is already applied if you have clicked on a link in the description, but you can use any of the coupon code mentioned in the description of this video. You can use any as per your convenience. So simply apply over here at Hostinger, and you're going to see that your price got a further discount. So it's a 48 months already at a discount. You're also getting daily backup free of cost, 2 extra months, again that free of cost, free domain, and again a coupon code further discount over here. After this, simply select the continue and move on to the last part at Hostinger. You may be asked to create your new account at Hostinger, and after this you can see your order summary over here at Hostinger. Now write your billing details over here. Once you write your billing details at Hostinger, move on to the last part, and last part is regarding payment methods. Hostinger offer you variety payment methods, guys. You can pay via credit card, you can pay via PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinGate. So guys, you have variety payment methods to choose to do your payment at Hostinger. So for instance, if you are going with the credit card, simply select add a new payment method, write my credit card details, and simply select the submit payment. And once I select the submit payment, within few minutes I'm going to get an email from Hostinger with all of my account details. Just for a revision, make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code to enjoy your hosting from Hostinger. I've been using Hostinger from the last 5 years and my experience is very good, which is why I highly recommend you to enjoy your amazing hosting from Hostinger with special 91% discount. So good luck with your hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.